Hi friends, welcome to Ushbi TV. Today I am going to do a variety unboxing video, unboxing Oud Perfumes. And one more happy news is waiting for you. In the end of the video, I will explain about that one. So before watching the video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, you can subscribe the channel. And after watching the video, like the video. And you can tell the opinions about that in comment box. I am introducing some Oud perfumes which I am using, presently I am using. So now this is Khalis Oud. Presently I am using this one, Khalis Oud. It is very nice perfume. I have used little. Along with that one, body spray also is there. Yeah, nice smell, good smell. Okay. This is Khalis Oud. So along with that, same body spray. Yes, nice smell. Another one which I am introducing, Arabian Midnight. Muntasif Layal Arabi, Arabian Midnights. This is not a Jawadul Layl in Arabian Nights, okay? Because same it is coming, because this is little costly. Okay, and one more in the same company, Arabian Nights only company, Jawadul Layl. It is not that much expensive, but this I am using. Let's check how smell it. Yes, super. So this is second one, Arabian Nights. And this is the normal one, Oud Sultan. This is a new company, because till now I didn't use this one. First time I am using this one. Oud Sultan. Let me check how it smells. Yes, super. This is new, okay, new arrival. Okay, this is not that much expensive, but very nice smell. Another one, Harirul Lamsa. Let me check how it is. Okay, Harirul Lamsa. I didn't use this one before. This is also over the company. Yes, Harirul Lamsa. Wow, super. Ha ha ha, super. Harirul Lamsa. This we can keep it here. Another one, Habil Abad. Wow. This is also first time I am using. Let me check it. Wow, super. Okay, it is very nice smell. I didn't use this before. Another one, Oud Perfumes. Okay, Oud Perfumes. Oud Perfumes. Yes. Let me smell it. Yes, this is not that much penetrating. Okay, normal. And a French smell is also coming in this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. This is another one. This is, I think, very nice. This was little costly. And along with this one body spray also coming. First we will check the body spray, how it works. Body spray I will check on body. Wow, very good smell. Connect Oromo. That is also another company of Oud. Wow, very nice packing. We can give gift also this one. Those are going to wow. Haha, very nice smell. Haha. First time I'm using, but very nice smell it is. Maybe this will be my favorite now. This cover is very, let it be here. And this is along with the body spray also. Okay, along with this one body spray also is there. Let me. Another one, Shamsul Habibi. Okay, along with this also one body spray is there. Very nice. Let me check it. Okay, nice smell. Very nice smell. This also. Oud Perfumes. Let me check the body spray. Super. This all we can give a gift. Very another one. Oud Layli or Oud Layli. This I have used a lot of times. Same company, another one is also coming. and it is Hashapul Oud. That is also nice, but I didn't get that one. Along with this also body spray coming. Let me check it. Very nice. And same way Hashapul Oud also is there. Okay, it is very nice. And the body spray, along with that body spray. Another one, Harrier Lemsa. I'll check it out. I think this also I have used before. Let's check it. Super. Okay, Harrier Lemsa. It's very nice. Let it be here. And let's check its body spray. So body spray also is alongside. Check it. Body spray. Super. Okay, it is very super smell. So how many are there now? One body spray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 body spray and spray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are there. And now I will show you one more attar. This is a pure attar, Oud attar. I will check it out. Original. This is original Oud. This is a small bottle but very costly. This one. Let it be here. So these are the perfume mostly I am using now, inshallah. And some are to give for friends, and some are that to send to India while going to home, inshallah. And some are for giveaway, inshallah. In my coming videos giveaways are coming. So do one thing, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, then only you will get the notifications. And if you like the video, like it, and in between you can comment what if you are using a Oud perfume. So you can comment which type of Oud perfume you are using. You can comment in the comment box, okay, inshallah. So the giveaway information will be posted in the Instagram ID and Facebook page. The links are in the description. You can follow that both. So inshallah, see you with another video. Okay, bye.